Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a summer makeup tutorial featuring only e.l.f. Cosmetics products. I really wanted to make this tutorial very summer friendly so that hopefully your makeup will last on a lot longer for a more affordable price. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I will be applying the Pore Refining Mask. This is really going to help me minimize my pores and brighten my skin. I really like that it has vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. It's super good for your skin. I'm also going to be applying some oil control primer. This is really going to help me with my really shiny forehead that I get during the summer. And lastly, I'm going to be applying my favorite primer currently, which is the Poreless Face Primer by e.l.f. I think it's such an affordable primer and it does wonders. As you can see, it just mattified my skin so well. Now that I'm done completely prepping my skin, I'm going to go in with a little bit of concealer to prime my lids. I usually use concealer to kind of make my eyeshadow last a little bit longer. But before applying eyeshadow, I will be filling in my brows with the brow pencil. Very natural, nothing too dramatic. Now for the palette, I'm going to be using the Rose Gold palette. I love this palette. I actually have been using it so much. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I've been just blasting all of my pictures featuring this palette on my lids. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of that brown mauve at the end of the lid. And literally all my summer looks usually have some shimmer. And I'm just going to be applying a little bit of a darker shade on the outer corner. And now I'm going to be switching from the crease brush to the blending brush. All brushes by e.l.f. by the way. Winging it a little bit with the darkest brown shade. Now before applying foundation, you guys know I love to color correct. I'm actually color correcting with this orangey shade, and just so you know, the camera picks it up a lot lighter. It was more orange in person, which really helped me to minimize any dark areas. The formula was really creamy, which I really appreciated after applying my foundation. For the foundation, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. I was actually able to custom make my shade, and I'm so excited that I was able to do that because I absolutely love this foundation. The coverage is insane. It covers so well, and it's extremely matte. So what I did is I added some of the booster drops, which are going to help to make it a little bit less matte. Just specifically for this tutorial, you guys know I love my matte. Back to the same concealer, I'm just going to be doing what I normally do. 2 little triangles, a little bit on top of my nose, and I'm going to be blending. And of course, adding a bit to my inner forehead. I call it inner forehead because it's really close to my nose, but you guys get what I mean. Next, I'm going to be setting my concealer and the areas that I normally get a little bit more oily with the Prime and Stay Finishing Powder. And I'm going back to the palette to get the darkest brown and smoking out the bottom lash line. And I'm going to be applying some mascara on my bottom lashes. And I'm going to bronze up with the Prime and Stay Finishing Powder. And I'm using the angled blush brush. And as you can see, I'm going to be just squeezing it a little bit and contouring my nose a bit. I think it makes such a huge difference. Like when I do this, I don't know, I feel a little bit extra for some reason. Now for some blush. I love my blush these days. I have no idea why, but I stopped using blush and now I'm back at it again. And no look is completed without highlighter. This one is Moonlight Pearls. This was my first time trying it, you guys, and I was completely shocked. I think you're going to be able to see my reaction right now. I'm literally like, wait, what? Whoa. I was like, oh my god. I really love the highlighter so much. I'm definitely going to keep using it. It is beautiful. Like, I love how it looked on my nose. Everywhere was just like glowing. Love. And I felt like my eyebrows needed something, so I ended up applying some brow gel, and I felt like it made them perfect now. And now moving on to my lips, I'm actually applying some lip liner. This one is in the shade Natural. And to give my lips a bit more color, I'm going to go in with a matte lip. This one is in Blushing Rose. Such a beautiful color. I actually wear this on its own. But because it is a summer look, I went in with a gloss, and this one is in the shade Champagne Glam. And lastly, I'm just going to be setting everything with the Makeup Mist and Set. And we're completely done. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Bye guys!